Hey, John here. It's just watching Adam Booth, A-Bomb 79, showing off his new Ton Arbor Press. Beautiful one. And kind of ashamed to show mine, little 1-ton one, or his, was it 14-ton or whatever the heck it is. Biggie, anyway. This is just one of those, cheapo, from the usual suspects that I've done a couple of slight modifications to. This was a round knob, the locking knob for the handle, so I immediately replaced it with a one of these handles that repositional handle. You can put it anywhere you need. I mean, as soon as you change from a knob to one of these things, you increase the functionality immediately. And I also replaced one of the gib tightening screws with one, and as you can see, that now is a makes it a lock, so I can like lock it in the up position when you need more hands than you have, and then as soon as you release it, down it comes. Didn't come any further because the handle hit the. But, yes, that lock works really nice. Sorry for the handheld, but I'm just having to use my phone here because I don't have anything else working. Then it, it has the little daisy wheel. You can put, I think the slots in Adam's, can hold this. What? Ooh, yicko! I never had that off before. Putting it right back on until I can get a rag. Yeah. So anyway, that's my. I've just got it on this rollaway stand. It's just on here with a can't twist clamp. Nothing permanent, because it's a little wanting to tip over. It's not ideal, but as you can see, I just don't have room for anything anywhere. Everything is stacked on top of everything else, so yeah, I need mobility. Got to be able to get it out of my way when I'm not using it. Oopsie. That three-legged stand just isn't cutting it.